We're back.
And what do you want to tell them?
We're gonna make a part 5.
5?
Huh?
What's part 5 have in it?
It has 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And what are we going to do?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What are we going to do in part 5?
We're gonna show them what we made in the past.
Oh, we're going to do that now? I'll have to follow you then, huh? Okay. I think it's in here. I think it's in Nana's room in here, in this room.
Yeah, just bring up the barn and then.
Great Nana's room. We'll go get the barn.
Which is
Right over in here.
over.
Turn the light on.
Over where?
Right in here. Look in the box. Is there anything? Pick that up out of there.
What?
Pick this up. Is it in there? No. I don't know where it is.
It must be out. I think I know where it could be.
Yeah, it's in there.
Is it? Where?
You put the toy box.
It must be in the toy box.
He did. Wait, Pops, can I check it out? Can I check
Look where it is. You didn't look very hard.
Well, I don't look very hard. But what are the animals? Oh, they're here. Dog, pig, chicken. Where's the cow?
Hold on a minute. You got too many toys in here.
I know. And a chicken.
You got baby dolls in here.
What about the chicken?
I don't know. We'll have to be back after we find it. Say we'll be back.